What's up guys? Welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. I apologize for my face being a little bit red. I actually did a facial yesterday and still haven't fully recovered. But we are at our Chandler house, which is the most recent flip that we've gotten. And I want to give you guys a full walkthrough right now on the finished product. So we actually just listed it literally about an hour and a half ago. We already have 6 showings at this house, so the feedback so far has been pretty good. Based on this amount of feedback this fast, we'll probably get about 15 to 20 people into this house. We spent exactly $31,425 on this property. I have the screenshot on my phone, so as we walk through here, I will talk to you guys about how much we spent on certain things. I don't believe I've filmed here since we actually picked up this property, so there's not a whole lot. We didn't do a whole lot here. It's a bigger house, so although $31,000 sounds like a lot of money, it's a 3,400 square foot house, which is the second biggest flip we've ever done before, so the money just went really fast. But here's the entryway. If you guys remember, this all is the exact same. It obviously looks way cleaner. We spent $425 deep cleaning and steam cleaning this tile right here. We painted the walls, we painted the baseboards, we got all new light fixtures. The paint alone was about $3,000 in total. There used to be like a big dresser right here, super dirty, like a Christmas tree. We made this a formal dining room, so we have the dining room light fixture here, which was like $100. We left the washer and dryer in here, which will be really nice for the next homeowners because they will convey with the sale of the property. We got new toilets all around as well. We left this, which was one of our biggest decisions. We probably should have just stripped this all and drywalled it and then just went over it with paint, but we did decide to leave that in. Here is the kitchen. The only thing we did here was get new hardware. We got a new stove top because it was completely broken, and then we just did a really good deep clean. The deep cleaning on this house, or the cleaning alone, was $650, so by far the most expensive we've ever had. We removed all the curtains because they were brown. We painted the walls light pewter is the gray color that we used. Each one of these fans was like 90 bucks, but it's great, they look great. We spent about $3,650 on carpet. We had just over 2,100 square feet of carpet all around. We did get new faucets and quartz countertops as well, so it looks pretty good in here. Obviously, guys, you can tell, like, we didn't do a full reno on this property. We did not. We should have. If we were gonna do a full reno, we obviously would have blown this whole thing out, did a nice tile shower, but we were trying to move this one fairly quickly. We priced it right too. We priced it well under market because we knew that the next person that buys this property is most likely going to do some of their own renovations anyways. And then this is a master. You get a good look at the backyard. The pool is in horrible condition. I am not happy with how that looks. We should have cleaned up a little bit more too. I'm not actually the listing agent on this property. If I was a listing agent, I definitely would have cleaned all that up. I didn't actually realize there's a bunch of trash back here, so that's a little bit upsetting that we're listing it and showing the house with the, I don't think it's fully ready yet. I might go after this video, clean up a little bit. Bedrooms as well. And then this is interesting. This used to be the garage. So this used to be a 3-car or a 1-car garage, an alternate garage. There used to be like a garage door opener thing right here, but they actually fully converted it and they have it permitted, so this is actually a permitted addition. They actually have heating and cooling in here too. This is a projector that like that right there, like that should be taken off for showings. I don't know why that's still on there. Super frustrating. Projector right here, and then the screen. So this is an additional 250 square feet, I believe, which adds a lot of value to the house. Let's race upstairs real quick. All fresh carpet. This carpet made this, this carpet was disgusting. By far the most disgusting carpet we've ever had before at any of our flips. This is the upstairs bedroom, an additional bathroom. It just looks super clean. You guys know how much I like these lights. These are like my favorite. I use them at every single flip. It looks really good. Like I said, we probably could have spent the extra 1,500 bucks all around and just stripped all this tile. It's super outdated, and just ran drywall up and painted it. Would have looked a little bit better, but that is a lesson learned. We should have thought about that before we started the rest of the reno. Little loft area. Obviously new chandelier, this looks really good. So we have all black hardware, black and brushed nickel hardware. I think it ties in really well. And then we replaced all these too. Small stuff like this, these used to be gold. We just spent like $5 and did that. Good little shot of the backyard here. Looks like something's flooding a little bit over there, so we'll check that out. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm getting all kinds of text messages right now. So we spent, the most money we've ever spent on landscaping was at this property. We had so many overgrown trees that were like an issue with the HOA. They were flooding over to both neighbors had our trees hanging over their roofs, which was just a big liability for us. The previous owner neglected landscaping and it showed big time. So we actually had to spend $7,350 on landscaping at this house. Blew me away. I never knew how expensive it was to remove trees, but these trees, keep in mind, were 2.5 to 3 stories tall. They've been growing for 10, 20 years, so they definitely took some time to get rid of, and they were right up against the house, so they actually caused a little bit of roof damage, but we were able to get the roof all fixed up for only $800. We found a really good deal on that. Trash removal was $1,600 because we had like a hot tub, we had a bunch of stuff in the backyard. This house was the dirtiest we've ever purchased a house. Like the previous owner just literally left everything. So we had to spend a lot of money just getting it ready to actually just start renovations on it. Roof repairs $750. Pool cleaning was $800 because we had to completely remove everything in the pool and kind of start all over there. And slabs, granite countertops, all that kind of stuff was $2,900, including labor. All the hardware you guys see, we went to, I shop on Amazon for all the fans and stuff. That was about $1,500 for like all the fans, the light fixtures, all that kind of stuff. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I will obviously keep you guys updated on how this sale goes. It's in a really, really good area, so hopefully we'll be able to lock this up within the next few days here. And if we do lock this up, that would mean we have all 3 of our flips under contract, which is great. At the same time though, if we have all those under contract, we have no current projects we're working on. So if you guys are in the Arizona area, you have a house, or you know someone that's selling their house, be sure to reach out to me. I do pay a finder's fee for any of you guys that bring us any deals if we do end up closing on it. And as always, if you guys are looking to buy or sell here in Arizona, I'm a licensed real estate agent. I focus on investment properties, cash flow properties, so everything I work on, everything I do is focused on the number aspect of a property. Thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about everything, and I'll keep you guys updated.